Rolls-Royce unveils the Nightingale. A $9.5 million bespoke electric convertible Rolls-Royce has officially entered a new era of bespoke manufacturing with the announcement of Project Nightingale. This exclusive two-door convertible marks the debut of the brand's Coachbuild collection, a program dedicated to ultra-limited, highly personalized vehicles. While many luxury automakers are retreating from ambitious electric vehicle (EV) roadmaps, Rolls-Royce is doubling down, using its electric platform to redefine high-end coach building. Design, where yacht aesthetics meet electric performance, the Nightingale is a statement of scale and elegance, measuring 5.76 meters in length. Its silhouette draws heavy inspiration from maritime luxury, featuring a long, tapering rear and 24-inch directional wheels designed to mimic the look of yacht propellers. Key design elements include the Pantheon grille, carved from a single block of stainless steel, integrated lighting, ultra-slim vertical LED headlights connected to split taillights by polished stainless steel bands that span the car's entire length, aerodynamic sophistication. Because the vehicle is fully electric and lacks exhaust pipes, designers have utilized a sophisticated rear diffuser to manage airflow, eliminating the need for a traditional spoiler. The launch model features a Côte d'Azur blue paint infused with red flakes, a color palette inspired by the experimental 1928 Rolls-Royce 17X. The interior, a symphony of light and sound inside, the Nightingale moves away from the traditional four-passenger layout to a strictly two-seat configuration. The cabin is designed around horseshoe-shaped forms and a central saddle armrest that houses the Spirit of Ecstasy controller. The most distinctive feature is the Starlight Breeze. Rather than a random arrangement of lights, the interior features 10,500 individual fiber optic stars arranged in a specific pattern. This pattern is derived from the sound wave analysis of a Nightingale song, creating a literal translation of nature into luxury. To enhance the sensory experience of open-top driving, the soft top is crafted from a unique composite of cashmere and high-performance fabrics. This material is specifically engineered to block mechanical road noise while allowing the soothing sound of raindrops to reach the passengers. Engineering and availability underneath its bespoke skin, the Nightingale is built upon the architecture of luxury, aluminum space frame. It utilizes the same fully electric powertrain found in the Rolls-Royce Spectre, though specific performance metrics remain confidential as the vehicle undergoes global testing. Exclusivity and pricing, while the Nightingale is part of the elite Coachbuild collection, it is actually more accessible than previous one-off commissions like the boat tail or drop tail. Production volume, limited to just 100 units. Selection process, owners will be hand-picked by Rolls-Royce. Price point, starting at approximately $9.5 million, £7 million, with costs expected to rise significantly through personalization. Delivery timeline, expected to begin in 2028. The Nightingale represents a strategic shift for Rolls-Royce, transitioning from one-off bespoke projects to a limited-run series that combines the artistry of coach building with the scalable technology of electric drivetrains. Conclusion, the Project Nightingale signals Rolls-Royce's intent to dominate the ultra-luxury EV market by blending historical design cues with cutting-edge electric architecture. By limiting production to 100 units, the brand maintains extreme scarcity while establishing a new blueprint for the future of bespoke motoring.